A questioner asks, is simply waking up for sahur before dawn without uttering the intention to fast correct or incorrect? The answer: the intention is an act of the heart and does not require uttering it. As long as you wanted to make up the fast and intended to do so before sleeping, this is sufficient, and when you get up for sahur you are not required to renew the intention to make up for it or utter it. Likewise, the intention of fasting in Ramadan is not obligatory for anyone to say, I am fasting tomorrow, according to the agreement of the Imams. Rather, the intention of his heart is sufficient for him. The intention is made during the night between sunset and dawn, and it is permissible to make it from the beginning of the night, but it is not permissible before night, based on the hadith of Ibn Umar, on the authority of Hafsa, on the authority of the Prophet, that he said, whoever does not accumulate fasts before dawn, there is no fasting for him. This applies to the obligatory fasts in Ramadan or at making up for the days that you did not fast in Ramadan. As for voluntary fasting, it is permissible to make the intention at any time, whether it is after dawn, after the time of duha, or even after that. If you like the channel's content, click subscribe. If you like the content of the video, press like, put a comment on this video, and if you have any questions, write it to us, and we will answer it, God willing, or we may make a new video explaining this issue or this question that you sent us.